For reinforcing doors, choose thick steel reinforcement plates and high-security locks from reputable manufacturers that prioritize hardened materials and multiple anchoring points. Start by selecting a strike plate made from at least 4 mm thick steel with elongated screw holes that accept 3-inch screws so they reach the framing studs behind the jamb. For the door edge, use a full-length steel jamb reinforcement or wraparound plate that covers the latch area and is secured with screws into the stud every 8 to 12 inches for distributed load transfer. Pick a deadbolt rated for 5 pins or more, with a hardened steel shroud around the tailpiece and an anti-drill plate on the face. Look for solid brass or steel cylinders with long bolt throw of at least 1.5 inches. Consider reinforced hinge pins or security hinges with non-removable pins and at least 3-inch long screws through the hinge into the framing on the top and bottom hinges. When possible, combine a reinforced strike, an edge reinforcement, and a quality deadbolt so the system shares force instead of relying on a single component. For installations, pre-drill holes, use a torque screwdriver on final fasteners, and test operation under load by applying steady pressure to the lock side to confirm screw engagement with framing before finishing. Common mistakes include using only short screws that stop in the jamb and pull out under force. Fix that by replacing them with at least 3-inch structural screws into the stud. Another issue is relying on a decorative faceplate or thin strike plate. Remedy this by swapping to a 4 mm or thicker steel strike or a wraparound jamb reinforcement. Homeowners sometimes purchase a high-quality lock but neglect hinge reinforcement. Prevent hinge failure by installing non-removable pin hinges or adding hinge side reinforcement and replacing short screws with long structural screws. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like door reinforcement so we can discover options and compare hardware choices together. We host a discussion community where people share installation tips, brand experiences, and contractor recommendations so our members can make informed decisions and contractors can find work.